Did you know that over 7.5 million US adults aged 55 and older now prefer home-style rentals over hotels for their travel? According to Airbnb's 2025 US travel report, seniors are booking longer stays, rating hosts higher, and seeking accommodations that match their comfort and lifestyle, something hotels often cannot provide. Imagine traveling with the freedom to cook your own meals, enjoy privacy, and stay in neighborhoods that feel like home, while saving money and sometimes even earning income from your own property. Now, why are so many US seniors making the switch from hotels to Airbnb? And could this choice transform not just how you travel, but how you live your retirement? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 reasons why American seniors now prefer Airbnb for their vacation than traditional hotels. 1. What makes Airbnb home-style rentals more comfortable and practical than traditional hotel rooms for older Americans? 2. Could renting or hosting on Airbnb improve your retirement lifestyle and finances? 3. And why are US seniors saying that Airbnb offers freedom, privacy, and peace of mind that hotels rarely match? Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now, so you never miss tips on traveling smart, staying comfortable, and maximizing retirement income as a senior. Number 1. More homestyle comfort and space. For most seniors, comfort means more than luxury. It means room to breathe. And that's exactly what short-term rentals offer. Unlike hotels, which average about 330 square feet per room, an average US Airbnb home provides over 900 square feet, with living rooms, kitchens, and outdoor space. That makes a world of difference when you're traveling with family, staying longer, or simply moving at a gentler pace. Many retirees describe these stays as a second home. You can cook your own meals, do laundry, relax on a porch, and even invite loved ones over, something hotel policies rarely allow. And because most rentals are in real neighborhoods, you get a home-like environment that feels peaceful and familiar, not commercial. For seniors traveling to visit children or relocating seasonally, say, spending winters in Florida or Arizona, that sense of normalcy matters. It helps you feel rooted, independent, and relaxed. It's not about luxury. It's about living your way, comfortably, affordably, and with the privacy you deserve. Number 2. Cooking and self-sufficiency, the comfort of control. For many seniors, one of the greatest joys of retirement is having time to care for your health. And that starts in the kitchen. Hotels mean restaurant meals and rigid menus. But with a rental, you control your diet. You can prepare healthy foods, store medication safely, and avoid the expense of eating out 3 times a day. According to AARP's 2025 travel report, 63% of travelers over 60 say having a kitchen is their top requirement for long-term stays. That's because it supports both wellness and budget-conscious living. Imagine waking up and brewing your own coffee instead of rushing to the lobby buffet, or cooking a favorite meal from home while visiting your grandchildren. It's independence, wrapped in simplicity. And when you're a host, having a full kitchen can be a major draw for senior guests. Listings that highlight fully equipped kitchens, or accessible dining areas, see 15 to 20% higher bookings among older travelers, according to Airbnb's analytics team. So whether you're cooking for comfort or offering it to others, a kitchen isn't just a convenience, it's freedom, familiarity, and care in action. Number 3. Flexibility, staying longer, saving more. One thing most retirees share is time. And short-term rentals are built for flexibility, letting you stay longer, travel slower, and save more. Hotels are designed for quick stays, but Airbnb thrives on extended ones. In 2025, nearly 40% of US senior guests stayed 14 nights or more, often at discounted rates for weekly or monthly bookings. This makes it perfect for snowbirds, retirees escaping winter for Florida, Texas, or Arizona, or for those visiting family in another state for several weeks. Financially, it's smarter too. Airbnb's average nightly rate for long stays in the US is about 25% cheaper than hotel equivalents, and many hosts offer additional discounts for seniors or repeat guests. Plus, you get to live on your own schedule. Cook when you like, rest when you choose, and move at your own pace. No checkout alarms, no housekeeping interruptions. That flexibility gives seniors what traditional travel rarely can: control over your time, budget, and comfort. Number 4. Local neighborhoods and authentic experiences. One of the biggest perks for seniors choosing Airbnb over hotels is the chance to live like a local. Instead of staying in crowded hotel districts, rentals are often situated in quiet, residential neighborhoods. That means easy access to nearby grocery stores, parks, and local cafes. The same conveniences you enjoy at home. According to Airbnb's 2025 guest survey, over 68% of travelers aged 55 and older reported that being in a real neighborhood was very important to their experience. Seniors say it makes them feel safe, comfortable, and connected to the community, not just a temporary visitor. Imagine enjoying a morning walk along tree-lined streets, visiting local farmers markets, or chatting with neighbors. Activities that hotels rarely allow. For retirees, this connection isn't just enjoyable. It supports mental well-being, reduces isolation, and makes travel more meaningful. Even better, neighborhoods often have lower noise levels and fewer crowds than hotel areas. That's especially valuable for seniors who prefer calm mornings, accessible sidewalks, and easy parking. Many older travelers report feeling less rushed and more relaxed when staying in residential areas rather than busy tourist zones. For hosts, highlighting your property's location can attract senior guests who value authenticity. Older travelers are more likely to book listings that offer local flavor, nearby essentials, and the reassurance of community presence. In short, staying in real neighborhoods gives seniors something hotels rarely provide: a sense of belonging, daily comfort, and an opportunity to immerse themselves in life outside tourist traps. Number 5. Privacy and quiet. Comfort for seniors who value peace. Privacy becomes more important with age, and that's another reason why Airbnb appeals to U.S. seniors. Hotels mean shared lobbies, elevators, noisy hallways, and housekeeping interruptions. Many retirees prefer the independence of a rental, where they control who comes and goes. Airbnb rentals provide quiet, private spaces. Seniors can relax, follow their routines, and enjoy uninterrupted sleep, all critical for health and comfort. According to a 2025 AARP survey, 72% of travelers over 60 said avoiding crowds and noise was a top factor in choosing accommodations. Privacy also allows for social visits on your terms. You can host family, grandchildren, or friends without worrying about hotel rules. It also helps seniors feel safe, especially in a new city. For hosts, promoting privacy attracts like-minded senior guests. Features like separate entrances, private bathrooms, and fenced yards can boost bookings and enhance guest satisfaction. Airbnb data shows listings emphasizing privacy earn 20% higher reviews among older travelers. Ultimately, privacy isn't just about avoiding noise. It's about comfort, independence, and peace of mind. All priorities for seniors traveling or hosting. Number 6. The rise of senior hosts, confidence, and income opportunities. Seniors are not just guests. They're becoming top hosts in the U.S. market. According to Airbnb's 2025 host report, over 420,000 Americans aged 60+ now list properties, making them the fastest-growing host demographic. Why? Many retirees own homes with spare space and see hosting as a way to supplement retirement income. The average senior host earns around $13,800 annually, which can cover property taxes, utilities, or travel expenses. Hosting also keeps seniors active, socially engaged, and purpose-driven. Senior hosts often attract other older travelers because they understand their needs: quiet neighborhoods, safe environments, accessible bathrooms, and thoughtful touches. Data shows listings run by seniors receive higher review ratings, particularly for comfort and hospitality. Hosting also offers flexibility. You can rent out rooms seasonally, block off time for family visits, or host long-term stays for snowbirds. You maintain control over your schedule while gaining income and connection. For retirees considering extra income, hosting is more than money. It's a path to independence, purpose, and community involvement. Seniors are proving that age is not a barrier, but a strength in the sharing economy. Getting started with Airbnb as a senior doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're traveling or hosting, the process is designed to be simple and senior-friendly. For travelers, the first step is creating a profile on Airbnb.com or the app. Once you do, you can filter listings by price, location, accessibility, and amenities. Features like kitchens, laundry, or ground floor access can all be selected in advance. According to Airbnb 2025 guest data, over 35% of travelers aged 55+ book properties with accessibility or long stay options, ensuring comfort and independence. As a host, you start by listing a room, apartment, or home. Airbnb guides you through the process step by step, adding photos, setting pricing, and establishing house rules. Senior hosts benefit from tools like Air Cover for hosts, offering protection against damages and liability, and optional co-hosting if a family member wants to assist. Most senior hosts recommend starting small, one room or weekend first, then expanding once you gain confidence. Many report that their first successful booking boosts not only income, but also confidence and purpose. And here's the best part. The platform is built for flexibility. You choose your availability, guest criteria, and length of stays. Whether you want to host seasonally, part-time, or year-round, you remain in control. Starting is less about technology and more about mindset, approaching it with curiosity, patience, and willingness to learn. Your experience as a senior gives you an advantage. Guests often appreciate hosts who understand comfort, safety, and authenticity. Number 8. Safety, peace of mind, and stress-free hosting. Safety is a top priority for seniors, whether traveling or hosting. Airbnb has made this easier with verified profiles, guest reviews, AI-based screening, and $3 million property protection through Air Cover. As a guest, you can message hosts in advance to confirm accessibility features, quiet hours, or safety measures. Many seniors find peace in selecting listings with strong reviews and clear communication. According to AARP 2025 data, 72% of older travelers say they feel more secure with clear verification and messaging options. For hosts, managing safety is also simple. You control guest selection, set house rules, and schedule cleaning or check-in times that fit your routine. Many senior hosts opt for long-term stays to reduce turnover and maintain predictable income. Hosting offers peace of mind beyond finances. Meeting guests, sharing culture, and welcoming travelers keeps seniors socially engaged, reducing isolation and promoting a sense of purpose. Seniors consistently report that hosting makes them feel useful again, while giving them independence in retirement. With the right precautions, hosting or traveling can be a stress-free experience, one that balances safety, flexibility, and comfort. Number 9. Financial freedom and supplemental income. Short-term rentals can meaningfully support retirement income. According to Airbnb's 2025 U.S. host report, senior hosts earn an average of $13,800 per year, with some earning significantly more depending on location and occupancy. For retirees on fixed incomes, this extra revenue can cover property taxes, utilities, healthcare, or fund travel plans. Many senior hosts view Airbnb as a flexible, low-effort way to supplement Social Security and retirement savings. Beyond money, hosting builds purpose. Interacting with guests keeps seniors socially active and engaged, while meeting people from different backgrounds adds excitement and enrichment to retirement. Over 70% of senior hosts report increased happiness and feeling more connected to the community. Income is only part of the story. Independence is another. You choose when to host, whom to welcome, and how your property is managed. This control and autonomy is especially appealing to retirees seeking both financial and lifestyle flexibility. Hosting transforms a spare room into opportunity, blending income, social connection, and purpose. It's a practical, empowering choice for U.S. seniors seeking a more fulfilling retirement. Number 10. Motivation and creating your Airbnb retirement plan. By now, it's clear. Airbnb isn't just for younger travelers. U.S. seniors are shaping a new way to live, travel, and earn. It combines comfort, independence, income, and connection. If you're considering short-term rentals, start small. Whether traveling or hosting, test one listing, one trip, or one room. Learn what works for your lifestyle, neighborhood, and budget. Use tools like accessibility filters, air cover protection, and long-term stay options to reduce risk and maximize comfort. Think of hosting as part of a retirement plan. Spare room income covers costs, while the experience keeps you active and engaged. Think of renting as a travel plan. Extended stays, homestyle amenities, and quiet neighborhoods make exploration enjoyable and safe. Remember, age is an advantage. Your life experience helps you create listings that appeal to other seniors, and your knowledge of comfort and routine guides your travel choices. Airbnb can give you financial freedom, supplement your income, lifestyle flexibility, travel or host on your schedule, connection and purpose, meet guests or explore communities authentically. So take that first step. Try a short stay, host a room, or plan your long-term seasonal rental. Seniors across the U.S. are already doing it, living richer, safer, and more connected lives. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and join a community discovering smarter, more fulfilling ways to travel and earn in retirement. Your Airbnb retirement adventure starts today.